Hi guys, today's lesson is about understanding how to use the COE pronouns. By now you know that COE pronouns are used to avoid repetitions. Let's look at this. Jackie, tu écris à Sarah? Oui, j'écris à Sarah. The word that is being repeated is Sarah. And this is the word you want to get rid of. So your first step is you need to find the DNA of the word Sarah. And to find it is what is the question that you're going to ask. And here, the question is à qui? Tu écris à qui? J'écris à Sarah. Therefore, à Sarah is a COE. Once you know this, you look at the word Sarah and you have to analyze it as well. Sarah is a feminine word and it's a singular word. So the pronoun we are going to use is lui. Oui, je lui écris. Yes, I write to her. But again, notice the position of the pronoun in the sentence in French, and the pronoun is positioned before the verb, which is different in English. So your pronouns, your COE pronouns are lui. We only have one for him, her, and it, which is way easier than the COD. Then you have leur for the plural. And then you have me or M apostrophe, te or T apostrophe, nous, and vous. So notice how the only differences in the COD and the COE pronouns are the ones in red. The rest are similar for both pronouns. So remember the structure of a sentence. You have the subject, you have the verb, and you have a complément. J'écris à Paul. Now, when you want to use a pronoun, je lui écris. Ou, if you want the negation in it, je ne lui écris pas. Your pronoun is placed before the verb. And à Paul disappears and is being replaced by lui. Let's look at another one. Tu as souri aux enfants. This one is a sentence in the passé composé, but it works the same. Tu leur as souri. Or in the negation, tu ne leur as pas souri. You put your pronoun before the verb. And the complément aux enfants disappears and is being replaced by leur. Points to remember. A pronoun is used to avoid a repetition. The COE pronouns replace a complement of indirect object. You find your COE by asking the questions à qui. The verb used always has à. Donner à, parler à, écrire à. The verb must convey a sense of reciprocity. There's a giver and there's a receiver. And you place the pronoun before the verb. Voilà, c'est tout.